Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to get a Google Voice number outside US. First, it's important to understand that you cannot officially create a Google Voice number without meeting Google's requirements. To sign up for Google Voice, you need a Google account, access to Google Voice services, and a real United States phone number that can receive a verification code. Many virtual numbers do not work for verification. Now open Google Chrome and go to Google Workspace. Then click on Sign In from the top right corner. Now choose your Google account. If needed, click Create Account and follow the setup process. Next, select what brings you to Workspace, or you can skip this step. Then choose the number of employees, such as just you, 2 to 9, 10 to 99, or another option. Now select your region and country. Enter your first name, surname, and current email address. Then choose how you want to set up your account, such as getting a new custom domain or using an existing domain. Select Continue with your preferred method and complete the workspace setup. Now go to ZNICRM or another business tool if you need additional business services. Keep in mind that if you are outside the United States, you may still have difficulty creating a new Google Voice number because Google usually requires a real US carrier phone number for verification. Some people ask a trusted friend or family member in the United States to complete the verification process using their phone number and then help link the account afterward. You may also see suggestions online about using a United States VPN and setting your Google account region to the United States, but this may not work and could violate Google's terms. Google can block or flag the sign-up process. If your goal is simply to get a virtual United States phone number, you can also consider alternative virtual number providers instead of Google Voice. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.